I'm excited. Y'all must be read the caption by now. I ain't gonna even hold you up. Today I got an unboxing video of my new AR-15 7.5-inch barrel made by American Tactical, ATI better known. Damn, y'all see it. Again, y'all know I like a bang from above. This video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. Oh, let me show you too. We are clear. There's nothing in the chamber. I already got the bolt back so you can see. Stop playing. Hold on, let me take it out the box real quick to show y'all what I'm looking at real quick. Hold on, I'm getting too excited. I got to show y'all what's in the box. Show you, okay. Okay, we got some gun lube. Look like it's Lucas Oil and Products Incorporated Extreme Duty Gun Oil. Now when I bought this gun, they told me to oil it up before I get it out to the range. I do have more oil that I do buy myself, so good thing it's the same brand. Let's see what's else in. Stop playing crazy. Got a Crimson Chase light, another bang for your buck. Again, this light came with the gun. Sit this to the side over here. Jump straight into this. Show y'all this bad baby here. This is the ATI Omni Hybrid Maxx. Make sure that it's empty. It is empty. As you can see, there's nothing in the chamber. There's nothing in the chamber. No magazine inserted. This firearm, let me set this to the side. It came with a 60-round magazine. Let's see what else in the box. Simple manual of the ATI line that we really don't use. Throw this in the safe. Doomsday. This must be came out the Crimson Trace box. This is a cleaner for the light. Go back to what y'all really want to see the most. So let's talk about this polymer upper, lower, the plastic AR. I paid under $500 for it. It was on sale for $3.99 plus the red dot. All together, like I said, it came up to $482. Got it out the door. It feels good in hand. It's light. Feels like you could shoot it in one hand, with one hand. This red dot, I did get it zeroed in. I ended up using this mid 10 bore sighting from Amazon. I ordered it, dropped it down in the barrel. Sighted it at least 25 yards. This light, you can find it, Crimson Trace, good company. The only bad down part is 50 hours of battery life. Other than that, this is my Omni Hybrid Maxx. It came with this brace. It also came with the light. Let's see how this 60-round magazine looks inside. I am in a safe and controlled environment. Magazine is empty. Thing slid in. Again, chamber is empty. So let's say if it was one inside, I'll slap this side right here. Just loaded it. Turn on my dot.
me. Help me.
We'll be good to go. Just like that. Turn my brightness up. Again, it's chambered in 5.56, 223s. So that means I could shoot 223s out of this 5.56 barrel. But if this was chambered in 223, I would not be able to shoot this at 5.56s. Nothing in the chamber. Usually when it's loaded, this release right here, it drops down. So if it was one inside, I'll slap it. It's loaded. Turn on my red dot. Aim down here. Fire. Here. On the opposite side. Always remember, stay in a safe, controlled environment. Safety. It's on safe. When I'm ready to fire, I take it off safety. Pull trigger. Pow, pow. You're done. Well, the bad guy is, at least. But other than that, in hand, it feels nice. It's lightweight. It do got a polymer upper and lower, but it's also reinforced with metal parts on the inside because I heard it had a few issues jamming. But me personally, I never shot it yet. I haven't got it out to the range, but I will be running 5.56s and 223s in it. So tell me what you think down below. Cop, drop, under 500, 480 out the door for everything that I just showed you. ATI, Omni, Hybrid, Maxx. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, join the family.